Welcome to our guide on the top 5 hiking shoes for urban trails. Whether you're exploring the city on foot or hitting the trails that run through urban parks, a good pair of hiking shoes can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be sharing our top picks for hiking shoes that are perfect for urban adventures. At number 5, we have the Salomon X Ultra 3 GTX. This shoe is perfect for those who want a shoe that can handle both the city streets and the trails in urban parks. It has a waterproof Gore-Tex lining and a Contigrip sole for great traction on both wet and dry surfaces. The X Ultra 3 GTX is also lightweight and breathable, making it comfortable to wear all day long. Coming in at number 4, we have the Merrell Moab 2 Vent. This shoe has a breathable mesh upper that's perfect for hot weather, and a Vibram sole that provides excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. The Moab 2 Vent also has a removable insole for added comfort, making it a great choice for those who plan on doing a lot of walking. At number 3, we have the Adidas Terrex Swifter 2 GTX. This shoe has a lightweight design and a Gore-Tex lining that keeps your feet dry in wet weather. The Terrex Swift R2 GTX also has a Continental sole that provides excellent grip on both wet and dry surfaces. With its sleek design, this shoe is perfect for those who want a hiking shoe that also looks great on the city streets. Coming in at number 2, we have the Keen Targhee 3 Waterproof. This shoe is designed to handle a variety of terrain, from city streets to rugged trails. It has a waterproof leather upper and a Keen dry membrane that keeps your feet dry in wet weather. The Targhee 3 also has a Keen all-terrain sole that provides great traction on a variety of surfaces. With its sturdy construction and comfortable fit, this shoe is perfect for urban hikers. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Columbia Redmond Waterproof. This shoe has a waterproof suede and mesh upper and an Omni Grip sole that provides great traction on both wet and dry surfaces. The Redmond Waterproof also has a lightweight design and a comfortable fit, making it perfect for all-day wear. With its combination of style and performance, this shoe is our top pick for urban hikers. And that's a wrap on our guide to the top 5 hiking shoes for urban trails. Whether you're exploring the city on foot or hitting the trails in urban parks, these shoes will keep your feet comfortable and protected. Thanks for watching, and happy hiking!